So this is what I just found in Chinese store, and this tastes exactly like Nigerian corn. It's not too sweet, it's just exactly like our corn. So if you go to Chinese store, you're gonna find it in Chinese store in the frozen section. It's about $2 for 2 pieces. It's really nice. I tell you, you'll be so glad I did. Come back and testify when you buy it and eat it and grill it. It's really nice, and I'm telling you, you're gonna enjoy it. This is the new found. If you want to eat Nigerian kind of corn, not the sweet one, this is what you're looking for. Go to Chinese store, look for this, especially this make. They're very good. Go to a Chinese store and you find it. Thank me later.